Hey everyone, welcome back. You may remember this bike from my previous videos, linked in the description below. I've been giving this classic 10-speed a serious makeover. We've cold set the rear triangle to fit a modern 130mm 700C wheel, added a derailleur hanger, cable guides, and upgraded to a used 9-speed Ultegra Group Set. As with any retro mod project like this, it comes with its challenges. Today we're tackling one of the biggest, getting modern dual pivot brake calipers to fit this vintage road bike frame. I've been riding this bike a bit, but the braking performance, well, let's just say that it's less than confidence inspiring. Just look at this. Even in the bike stand, you can see how weak the brakes are. There's barely any stopping power. Not exactly safe, is it? Also, I've noticed my shifters aren't evenly positioned. We'll need to sort that out later, but first, let's focus on those brakes. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we'll remove the rear wheel to give us some room to work. Now, carefully removing the rear brake caliper, I'm going to try and save this brake cable, as I like to reuse it. Here's where things get interesting and a little nerve-wracking. We need to widen the hole on the back of the brake bridge with my Dremel tool. This is to accommodate the center locking nut of the new caliper. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure this will work. If I mess this up, I could permanently damage the frame. Fingers crossed!
Perfect.
Alright, the new mid-reach dual pivot caliper is installed, wheel back on. Now it's the moment of truth. Will my hard work pay off, or is this bike going to be a total write-off? Oh no! Looks like the brake pads are just a few millimeters short of reaching the rim. Not good. But wait! There's still hope. I see plenty of material on the caliper arm. I think I can grind down the slot where the brake pad sits to get the extra clearance. Time for more Dremel work. And success! We have contact. Now, we'll repeat the process on the other side of the caliper. Gotta make sure both pads are hitting the rim evenly. Time to install and adjust the rear brake cable. Let's see how this feels. And just like that, the rear wheel stops on a dime. Much better. Alright, now for the front brake. Let's remove the front wheel and the old caliper. Again, I'll take care to make sure I can reuse the front cable. For the front, we'll need to drill out the brake hole on the back of the fork. This drill bit is starting to get stuck, making it a bit tricky to finish. Alright, the Dremel to the rescue. Let's clean up the rest of the material. Perfect. The new centering lock nut fits great. Front caliper installed. Let's see if we have the same reach issue as the rear. And perfect fit. No grinding needed here. Now, let's install and adjust the front brake cable. And a quick test. Solid! We've got some serious stopping power now. Now, let's address those shifters. I'm going to unwrap the handlebars and move the left shifter into the correct position. As you can see, installing modern parts on a vintage road bike isn't always straightforward. You'll often encounter the following. The rear spacing differs, requiring cold setting of the frame. The need for cable guides and derailleur hangers. Fitment issues with the brakes and wheels. And like we saw today, frame modifications like drilling might be necessary. Good luck with your projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more bicycle restoration content. Thanks for watching!